Hello guys and welcome to Faversham International. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do bus wiring without soldering. Hope you enjoy. The stuff you will need in this video are the Pico power feed joiners for code 100 and code 124 rail. So it's these fish plates with wires pre-soldered to them. And the other thing you will need is insulation tape. Let's get into it. All I've done at the moment is drilled some holes into the cork and through the board so I can feed the wires down so I can connect them up. I have got the black wire for the outside parts of the tracks and the red for the inside parts of the tracks, so I don't get muddled up while getting these together. I've pre-put all the fish plates and track on before I started recording and drilled the holes. So that's all you have to do really for putting the track in. I'll show you again on here. Slot that through the hole. And then slot that through the hole as well. I'm going to just go under the board and pull that through. There. Right, I'm just going to do that to the rest of the wires. Another thing you may notice is that because I've put 4 wires for this, if you've realised I need power from only this one and this one will connect, and only this one and this one will connect. The reason the way I get power from the second line to the third line is I've put Hornby power clips for the track, so that's how the power gets through to this one, so the power can go to the last one. I've all in all my points. It's just a quick reminder just to let you know how I'm going to transfer the power through the track. Hello guys, and you join me under the baseboard. So we have got the wires here for the first and second line. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to tape the 2 red wires together and then the 2 black wires together. Let's get into it. first two done. Now let's get on to the second two for lines 3 and 4. I'm going to be doing this off camera because you've already seen me do it once. As you can see now, we've got all the bus wiring done, so we should have power to all lines of the layout. Let's go put some locomotives on and see. As you can see, we've got the 92 on the first line on platform 4. These two are the same line, and I've got power clips on both of the new, well, one Pico, one Hornby point, so these will both have power. This one has been wired up, so the wires go from 1 to 2, and then power electrofog point clips, which transfers the power to 2 to 3, and then the bus wires going from 3 to 4. So let's test to make sure we have all power going to each line. And I am using my Hornby Select, which I will not be using for the controller for the layout. Let's see if the 66 will start up. And look at that, we have power to to line 2. Let's move her forward and bring her back. Let's bring her to a stop. Reset the sound because the clips are a bit annoying. Let's bring her back. Just reset the sound, and now let's try the 92. Just make sure the points are set right, which they are now. Now let's see. She'll go. Oh, she's going the wrong way. And brilliant, she works. Send her up in the corner a bit. Stop her there. We will change the point so she can go down the main line through platform 3. We'll send her right down here. And then bring her to a stop. And send her back up. And stop her there. Well, we'll show up to 66. As you can see there, guys, the first two lines work. So this does show that the technique I've just shown you, so you don't have to do soldering or use any type of hot or dangerous tools underneath the baseboards to do bus wiring. This is a quick, simple and easy tip to how to do bus wiring to get power to all your tracks. You can do it just between 1 and 2. You can do it to 3. You can do it to 4, 5, 6. So how many other tracks you want. But it might take a while just to make sure the wires are touching. Just to make sure they are touching, so you do get power all through the tracks. Right, now let's test 3 and 4. Right, we have got the class 66 on line 3 and the class 92 on line 4. If the 92 does not work, it's because I do have a dodgy point, which the power struggles to get pulled. The power struggles to get transferred through the point. So, but once I have the full loop done, it should be fine. And if not, I can easily change the point up. So let's try the 66. I'll do it without sound though. Oh, she's working. Bring her to a stop. When she decides to stop. And now let's bring her back. And we'll run her to the other end of the layout. Oh, I got a derailment. Uh-oh. And it looks like we had a derailment. Let's try that again. I might have not put it on properly, but let's try again. And at half speed. Right, and now let's bring her back. So line 3 works perfectly. Right, now let's try line 4. I'm not expecting it to work first time, but let's have a go. Oh, and look at that. It's going. I don't have the point set right there, so I'll run it down to the other end of the layout. And then I can stop. So as you can see there, a quick and easy tip for doing bus wiring. Hope you've enjoyed, and there'll be quite a lot more videos coming out since all the schools have been closed, so I have more time to work on the layout. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and turn post notifications on so you get notified when a new video is out, and hope you enjoy. Bye!